Imagine reaching into an old drawer, a forgotten coin jar, or a dusty family collection and pulling out a small dollar coin that most people overlook instantly. At first glance, it doesn't seem extraordinary. It isn't made of gold. It doesn't look ancient, and millions of Americans once carried similar coins in their pockets. But what if that ordinary-looking dollar carried a story connected to one of the most important women in American history? What if it represented a bold experiment by the United States Mint, a dramatic change in American currency, and a fascinating chapter in the world of coin collecting? And what if some examples today attract significant attention from collectors because of condition, rarity, and unusual mint characteristics? The story behind this coin is far more interesting than most people realize, because this isn't simply a dollar coin. It's a symbol of history, innovation, controversy, and one of the most ambitious currency experiments ever attempted in modern America. Welcome to Royal Coin Value USA, where forgotten history and rare treasures come back to life. To understand this remarkable coin, we first need to travel back to the late 1970s. America was changing rapidly. Inflation had become a serious concern. The government was searching for ways to reduce currency production costs. At the same time, officials wanted to modernize the nation's coinage system. For decades, the large Eisenhower dollar had struggled to gain widespread public acceptance. Although collectors appreciated the coin, everyday Americans found it too bulky and inconvenient. People preferred dollar bills. As a result, the United States Mint began searching for an alternative. The solution seemed simple: create a smaller dollar coin, something easier to carry, something practical enough for daily commerce, something that could potentially replace the $1 bill in circulation. But there was another historic decision being made at the same time. The Mint wanted the new coin to honor an individual whose contributions had changed American history forever. That individual was Susan B. Anthony, a pioneer of the women's suffrage movement, a powerful advocate for equal rights. A woman whose efforts helped reshape the future of American democracy. For the first time in U.S. history, a circulating coin intended for everyday commerce would feature a real American woman rather than a symbolic figure. That decision alone guaranteed the coin a permanent place in American numismatic history. When the Susan B. Anthony dollar debuted in 1979, it attracted enormous attention. News organizations covered the release. Collectors rushed to acquire examples. Banks received requests from customers eager to see America's newest dollar coin. The excitement was real. But as history would soon reveal, public enthusiasm and long-term circulation success were two very different things. The 1980 Philadelphia issue emerged during the second year of the series, and today it serves as a fascinating reminder of both the promise and challenges surrounding the Susan B. Anthony dollar program. Now let's take a closer look at the design itself. The obverse features a portrait of Susan B. Anthony created by chief engraver Frank Gasparo. The design presents Anthony with strength, dignity, and determination. Her expression feels thoughtful and focused. Around the portrait appears the inscription Liberty. The date 1980 sits below. The phrase, "In God We Trust," is prominently displayed, and surrounding the edge are 13 stars representing the original colonies. The portrait remains one of the most recognizable designs ever used on modern American coinage. What makes it particularly significant is the historical message it carries. Every time someone handled the coin, they encountered the image of a woman whose work helped expand democratic participation in the United States. That historical symbolism continues to resonate with collectors today. Turning the coin over reveals another fascinating design. The reverse closely resembles the imagery first used on the Eisenhower dollar. An eagle appears descending toward the lunar surface while carrying an olive branch. Behind the eagle is the Earth, visible from space. This powerful scene was inspired by the Apollo 11 mission insignia. The design celebrates both peaceful intentions and American achievement in space exploration. Around the reverse appear the inscriptions United States of America and $1. The motto E pluribus unum is positioned above the eagle. This combination creates an unusual blend of historical themes. On one side, a champion of civil rights and voting rights. On the other, a tribute to one of humanity's greatest technological achievements. Together, these designs transform the coin into a miniature piece of American storytelling. But despite the strong symbolism and historical importance, the coin faced a serious problem almost immediately. Many Americans confused it with the quarter. The size difference was relatively small. The color looks similar, and in everyday transactions, mistakes happen frequently. Consumers grabbed the wrong coin, cashiers made errors, vending machine operators expressed concerns. The public simply struggled to embrace the new dollar. As a result, large quantities entered storage rather than active circulation. This unexpected outcome would later influence the coin's collector appeal. Now let's focus specifically on the 1980 Philadelphia issue. Coins produced at Philadelphia during this period typically carried no mint mark. That means collectors identify them primarily by date and design characteristics. The Philadelphia Mint produced millions of examples in 1980. At first glance, that production number suggests abundance rather than rarity. And for circulated examples, that observation is generally correct. Many 1980p Susan B. Anthony dollars remain available today. However, coin collecting is rarely that simple. Condition changes everything. The Susan B. Anthony dollar series presents unique challenges when it comes to preservation. The coin's design contains numerous high points that can develop contact marks during production, transportation, and storage. Even uncirculated coins often display bag marks and abrasions. Large quantities were stored in bags where coins constantly struck one another. As a result, finding truly exceptional examples becomes far more difficult than many people expect. This reality creates an interesting situation within the collector market. Ordinary examples remain common. Exceptional examples become much harder to locate, and that distinction dramatically affects desirability. Before discussing value considerations, let's address an important misconception. Many people refer to these coins as silver dollars. In reality, standard 1980p Susan B. Anthony dollars were not struck in silver. They were produced using a copper-nickel clad composition. The nickname silver dollar often refers to appearance and denomination rather than actual silver content. This misunderstanding remains surprisingly common among the general public. Collectors understand the difference immediately, but casual owners often assume the coin contains precious metal because of its color and dollar denomination. That small detail highlights the importance of education in numismatics. Knowledge often proves just as valuable as the coins themselves. Now let's explore one of the most exciting areas for collectors: errors and varieties. Every coin series develops a reputation for certain minting anomalies. The Susan B. Anthony series is no exception. Over the years, collectors have discovered fascinating examples featuring doubled dies, off-center strikes, die cracks, clipped planchets, and other production irregularities. Some coins display unusual lettering characteristics. Others reveal striking errors that create dramatic visual effects. These varieties capture collector interest because they represent unique moments in the manufacturing process. A coin that differs from millions of standard examples naturally becomes more intriguing. One particularly fascinating aspect of modern coin collecting involves the hunt for overlooked errors. Many collectors carefully inspect ordinary circulation finds, hoping to discover something unusual. That sense of discovery adds excitement to the hobby. Every coin becomes a potential mystery waiting to be solved. And while major errors remain uncommon, they do exist. Stories occasionally emerge about collectors finding remarkable varieties hidden among ordinary change or forgotten collections. Those stories continue fueling interest in the series decades after its release. Another important factor involves strike quality. Not all coins leave the dies with equal sharpness. Some display stronger details than others. Careful collectors examine hair details, lettering sharpness, eagle features, and overall surface quality. Small differences can separate average examples from premium specimens. This attention to detail transforms coin collecting into both an art and a science. Now let's discuss grading. Grading represents one of the most important concepts in numismatics. A coin's condition directly influences collector demand and market performance. Professional grading services evaluate numerous characteristics: surface preservation, strike quality, luster, eye appeal, originality, and overall condition. For Susan B. Anthony dollars, preserving pristine surfaces can be especially challenging. The design tends to reveal contact marks easily. Therefore, coins achieving high mint state grades often attract stronger collector interest. An average circulated example tells one story. A near-perfect uncirculated example tells another. The difference can be remarkable. Collectors often spend years searching for superior specimens to complete their sets. Registry set competitors seek the finest examples available. These pursuits create ongoing demand for top quality coins. Now let's talk about the broader collector market. The Susan B. Anthony dollar occupies a unique position within American numismatics. For years, many collectors underestimated the series. Attention often focused on older silver coins, classic rarities, or gold issues. Meanwhile, modern dollar coins received less recognition, but attitudes gradually evolved. Collectors began appreciating the historical significance of the series. They recognized its role as the first circulating US coin featuring a real American woman. They studied production statistics, they examined condition rarity, and they developed greater respect for the challenges involved in assembling premium collections. Today, interest continues to grow among both experienced numismatists and newer collectors. That doesn't mean every coin is rare, far from it, but it does mean the series has earned a more respected place within the hobby. The 1980p issue benefits from this broader reevaluation. Collectors increasingly view it as part of an important historical narrative rather than simply an overlooked modern coin, and that narrative extends beyond numismatics. Susan B. Anthony herself remains a central figure in American history. Born in 1820, she dedicated her life to social reform, abolition, and women's voting rights. Her efforts helped lay the foundation for changes that would reshape the nation. Although she never lived to see women gain the right to vote nationally, her influence proved enormous. By placing her portrait on circulating coinage, the United States honored both her legacy and the broader struggle for equal rights. That historical connection gives the coin significance beyond collecting. It becomes a conversation piece, a teaching tool, a reminder of social progress and civic engagement. When collectors study the coin, they often find themselves exploring larger historical themes. That educational value adds depth to the collecting experience. Now imagine a young collector discovering a Susan B. Anthony dollar for the first time. Perhaps it appears in a family collection. Maybe it arrives in change from a bank. The collector notices its unusual appearance. Questions emerge. Who was Susan B. Anthony? Why was she chosen? Why did the coin circulate for such a short period? What makes certain examples more desirable? Those questions lead to research. Research leads to learning. And learning often leads to lifelong interest in history and numismatics. That journey happens every day within the hobby. The coin becomes a gateway to something larger, and that may be one of its greatest achievements. Another fascinating aspect involves survival rates. Although many 1980p coins remain available, not all survive in equal condition. Improper storage can cause scratches, discoloration, spotting, and other issues. Coins preserved carefully over decades often display significantly better eye appeal. Collectors value originality and preservation. The difference becomes obvious when comparing a heavily marked example to a sharply preserved coin with attractive luster. That visual contrast helps explain why condition matters so much. Now let's consider the coin's place within American currency history. The Susan B. Anthony dollar represented an ambitious attempt to change public behavior. Officials hoped Americans would embrace dollar coins and gradually reduce reliance on paper bills. That transition never fully occurred. The experiment faced resistance. Production eventually slowed. And the series became a fascinating case study in monetary policy and consumer preferences. Yet despite those challenges, the coin achieved something important. It introduced millions of Americans to Susan B. Anthony's legacy. It demonstrated that circulating coinage could honor diverse historical figures, and it paved the way for future programs celebrating influential Americans. Sometimes success arrives in unexpected forms. The Susan B. Anthony dollar may not have replaced the dollar bill, but it secured a lasting place in American history. As we approach the conclusion of this story, it's worth reflecting on what makes the 1980p Susan B. Anthony dollar so compelling. It represents innovation. It represents historical recognition. It represents a bold experiment in modern coinage. And it reminds us that even coins often dismissed as ordinary can possess extraordinary stories. Millions were produced. Many survive today. Yet each example remains connected to a larger narrative involving politics, economics, social change, and national identity. Collectors understand this truth well. The most fascinating coins are not always the oldest or rarest. Sometimes they are the coins that capture a pivotal moment in history. The 1980p Susan B. Anthony dollar does exactly that. It tells the story of a nation attempting something new. It honors a woman whose influence transformed American society. And it continues inspiring curiosity among collectors more than 4 decades after its release. The next time you encounter one of these small dollar coins, take a closer look. Notice the portrait, study the details, think about the history behind the design. Consider the journey that brought the coin from the mint into collections across America, because what appears ordinary at first glance often reveals something far more remarkable. That is one of the greatest lessons coin collecting can teach us. History is everywhere. Sometimes it simply waits to be noticed. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the story of the 1980p Susan B. Anthony dollar. And remember, every coin has a story waiting to be discovered. Subscribe to Royal Coin Value USA for more incredible stories about rare and antique coins.